Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a zoom text overlay with video filling up the text on the CapCut PC. So this videos right here can be used for your intro video, and here what you guys need to do first is create the text. So I'm using a black background like this. Then I'm going to just add the text here. Click on the text at the top. Okay, click on the plus icon and just write your text in here. Okay, you can change the font into the one you like. Okay, I'm using this font right here. Then you can adjust the size into the size you want, and then I suggest you to change the color of the text to green. Okay, this color right here, and after that just export the text video first. Okay, click on export. Okay, so after you successfully export the video, just go back to your project and then delete all of the materials in the timeline. Go to the media and then import the video that you just saved. Okay, this one. And after that, add the video that you want to add as the video that filling up the text or the background video here. And then also the text video, but put the text video on top of the background like this. Okay, so after you add the two clips like this, click on the video text or the video overlay and remove the green from the text first. So go to cutout, enable the chroma key, and then drag the color picker into the green color on the letters. And just adjust the strength and also the shadow. And after that, we're gonna make the zoom text effect now. So go back to the basic panel, and in here you need to add keyframes on the scale and also the position. So first add a keyframe at the start for scale and position, and go to the end of the overlay. So in here, add another keyframe on the scale. I'm going to adjust it to, okay, like this. Just zooming it in until it becomes like this. Then add another keyframe on the position, and we need to get rid of the black in the letters in here. So I'm going to drag it to the bottom like this until it's gone. Okay, so now the result will go like this. So it will zooming it in like this, and now you'll have video in the background like this. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.